Hey everyone, today we are jumping into the amazing world of Astragalus root, an herb used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine. In this video, we'll explore its potential benefits and share 3 simple recipes to help you incorporate this incredible root into your daily routine. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, so always check with a healthcare professional before trying new herbal remedies. Now, let's get started. Some of you might be asking, what is Astragalus root? Astragalus root comes from the Astragalus membranaceus plant, a staple in traditional Chinese medicine. Historically, it has been celebrated for its role in supporting the immune system and promoting overall vitality. The root is often used as an adaptogen, helping the body cope with stress and maintain balance. Today, modern research is exploring its potential benefits, which include anti-inflammatory effects, cardiovascular support, and even anti-aging properties. While more studies are needed to fully understand its mechanisms, many people report feeling more energetic and resilient when incorporating astragalus into their routines. Now let's break down some of the key benefits associated with astragalus root. Number 1 is immune support. Astragalus is believed to boost the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells. This can help your body ward off infections more effectively. Number 2 is anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in astragalus may help reduce inflammation, which is linked to numerous chronic health issues. Number 3, adaptogenic effects. As an adaptogen, astragalus assists your body in managing stress. Whether it's mental or physical stress, this root can help maintain balance in challenging times. Number 4 is cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that astragalus can support heart health by improving circulation and protecting against oxidative stress. And number 5 is antioxidant properties. Rich in antioxidants, astragalus helps combat free radicals, potentially slowing down the aging process and protecting cells from damage. While these benefits are promising, remember that individual experiences can vary, and more research is necessary to confirm these effects. Always consider consulting with a healthcare provider to see if astragalus is right for you. Here are 3 simple recipes featuring astragalus root. Our first recipe is a soothing astragalus herbal tea, perfect for a relaxing start or end to your day. The ingredients are as follows: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried astragalus root, sliced or chopped, 2 cups of water. Optional, honey, lemon, or ginger for extra flavor. Instructions to follow. Bring the water to a boil in a small pot. Add the dried astragalus root. Let it simmer on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into your favorite mug. Add honey, lemon, or ginger to taste if desired. Enjoy this aromatic tea to help support your immune system and calm your senses. Next, we have a nourishing astragalus chicken soup, a perfect dish for cooler days or when you're feeling under the weather. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried astragalus root, 1 whole chicken or chicken parts, bone in for more flavor, 6 cups of water or low-sodium chicken broth, assorted vegetables, carrots, celery, onions, and garlic, salt, pepper, and herbs like thyme or bay leaves. Instructions: place the chicken and astragalus root in a large pot with water or broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Add your vegetables and herbs, allowing the soup to simmer for 1 to 2 hours. Remove the chicken, shred the meat, and return it to the pot. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This hearty soup not only warms you up, but also infuses the immune-supporting benefits of astragalus throughout the dish. Finally, let's whip up an astragalus energy smoothie, a refreshing way to start your morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up. Ingredients are simple. 1 teaspoon of powdered astragalus root. You can grind dried root in a spice grinder if needed. 1 banana, 1 cup of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, 1 cup of spinach or kale, 1 cup of almond milk or your preferred milk, 1 cup of ice. Optional, a spoonful of honey or a dash of cinnamon. Instructions: add all ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness as desired. This smoothie packs a nutritional punch, combining antioxidants, vitamins, and the adaptogenic qualities of astragalus to give you a natural energy boost. If you're interested in incorporating astragalus root into your daily routine, you might be wondering where to purchase it. Astragalus root is widely available at many health food stores, herbal shops, and even some larger supermarkets with natural health sections. You can also find high-quality dried or powdered astragalus online through reputable retailers like Mountain Rose Herbs, iHerb, or local herbal stores with online shopping options. When purchasing, look for products that are organic and have good quality control to ensure you're getting a pure and effective product. Always read customer reviews and consider consulting with a healthcare professional or herbalist if you're unsure which product is right for you. Whether you choose to enjoy a warm cup of herbal tea, a hearty bowl of chicken soup, or a refreshing energy smoothie, these recipes are simple ways to bring the traditional benefits of astragalus into your modern life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And remember, embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining us today on this herbal adventure with Astragalus Root.